Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Word's build and saving your work. This ensures settings behave predictably. Once done, close other programs to avoid interference. Now open Word and choose File then Options so you can change the interface theme. You do this because some dark mode features come from office-wide settings rather than document colors. Make sure Auto Save is off if you need full control, and then move straight to the General and Personalize sections to override the dark appearance. Next, change the Office theme in Options under General and Personalize. Pick White or Colorful to remove the app shell dark background. Then go to the Document Ribbons Design tab and set page color to no color or white so printed layout pages show normally. If your text still looks inverted, check View Mode or Reading View and disable any dark page or switch modes option. This step ensures the document content and UI both return to light, so you can edit with natural contrast. Finish by restarting Word to make sure all theme changes take effect. Some settings apply only after a restart. If the interface remains dark, verify Windows color settings and disable any system dark theme or high contrast modes because Word can inherit those. For stubborn cases, run Office Quick Repair from App Settings. That fixes corrupted theme files. If problems persist, update Office and repeat the theme and page color steps. One key tip: test with a new blank document to isolate profile issues from file-specific settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.